In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable night light to reduce eye strain in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on your setting. So right click on the start and then go to settings and go to system. Then go ahead and click on this display. And here is a night light. You can see that it's been toggled off here. You can simply toggle this on and we have night light enabled, but we can customize this. You can go there and you can increase the strength. Like you can see, it's going to like go on twilight. Yeah, it's up to you that you can play with your strength setting, and you can schedule the night light whenever that you guys want it to. Like you can see that I've set this to 6:51 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Whenever that I need to use on night, I will definitely use this one because this helped me to reduce eye strain. Yeah, this is how you guys can turn on your night light. And if you guys don't want it to use, simply you can toggle this off. All right, whenever that you guys don't need. And you can still use this on your daylight as well if you think your display is too much bright. And this is how you can enable night light. If this video helps you out, leave a like and comment down below. See you guys in the next one.